15515 West Sunset Boulevard, Pacific Palisades. Serenely set unit 104. Of stunning quality and sophistication, only one block from the new Caruso Palisades Village. Restaurants and stores, Temescal Park, and the nearby beaches. Featuring 2 secured parking spaces and resort-like amenities in the heart of Pacific Palisades. The warmly inviting approach to this garden-oriented unit with no common walls is amazing, as is the open yet intimate living and entertaining spaces, boasting glass doors to a large patio, beautiful hardwood flooring, forced air heating, dramatic lighting, and stainless steel appliances are big pluses. Beyond the fireplace are frosted glass doors, opening yet secluding the second bedroom. The renovated central bathroom houses the washer-dryer. The primary suite, extending through glass doors to the tranquil garden patio, also features access to a private bathroom and walk-in closet. Life is good in the Palisades, very good.